Good morning, 7th standard. Today we are going to start with 1.3. Before starting it, I would like to tell you that in 1.2 I told you for addition and subtraction some rules that were plus minus minus, minus minus plus, and so on. Now I am going to tell you rule about multiplication and divide. In multiplication and divide, for multiplication and divide, for multiply and divide, even number of minus, if there are even number of minus, then they will cut and answer will in positive. Odd number of minus, then your answer is in negative. How? If suppose you are multiplying minus 3 and minus 5, how many terms are with negative signs? 3 is also having negative sign, 5 is also having negative sign. 2 terms, 2 minus are there, so minus minus will cut and answer will be in plus, positive sign we never put. If same question will be like this, only one term is with minus, there is no minus to cut with this, so it will be minus 15. I repeat, even number of minus will cut, but odd number of minus you cannot cut. Now see the first question. 4 into minus 7. You have to simply multiply 4 and 7. 4 into 7 is 28 and this minus 28. Minus 23 into 0. You have to just multiply 23 into 0. 23 0 is the 0, but minus we will not put. Why we will not put minus? Because 0 is non-negative integer, means 0 के आगे minus you will not put. Now minus 25 minus 15, and sign is of multiply. In multiply, minus minus cut, 2 minus are cut in multiply, so you have to just multiply 125 into 15. I think that will become approximately 375. You can cross check it. Now multiply, multiply. In multiply, 2 minus minus cut, plus you cannot cut, only minus 2 minus you can cut, 4 minus you can cut, 6 minus you can cut, even number of minus you can cut. Now you can multiply any two terms first, then multiply the third term. Firstly I am going to multiply these two. 14 3s are 42 and into 21. Now 42 into 21 we will multiply here. So it is 882. Minus 12 plus 5 means only 5. Ignore positive sign, just think for negative sign. Plus 20 means only 20. Multiply, multiply. You have to multiply all these three. Firstly, you can multiply any two. Don't confuse with plus sign. It is positive sign, just means simple 5 and simple 20. Minus 12 into 5. Minus 60, because this minus is not cut with any other minus. Now multiply by 20. Minus is not cut, so minus will come. 60 into 20 is 1200. Two negative signs are cut, but third one is left. Firstly multiply any two, then multiply with third one. Because this minus is there, put it in the bracket. It is minus 510. Similarly divide, only one negative sign is there. 28 divided by 7, 4. Because this minus is not cut, so minus will come in the answer. 126 divided by 14, 9, and minus is not cut, so negative sign will come. Both terms have negative, minus minus cut. 2 minus, 4 minus, 6 minus, even number of minus you can cut in multiply and as well as in divide. Now 56 divided by 7, that is 8. This question, firstly we will solve the bracket according to word mass. Only see to this. Two negative signs are there. Divide. Minus 48 divided by minus 12. 2 negative negative cut. Simply 48 divided by 12, that is 4. Now 4 divided by 4, that is 1. this question. Please listen carefully and see also carefully, sorry. Now, this is not multiply, not divide. You cannot cut minus minus. Minus minus is cut in multiply and divide. This we will follow 1.2 rule that I told you in previous video. 2 plus minus are there. When there are two symbols plus and minus, firstly solve it and make it one symbol. Plus minus. Minus. Solve the bracket first. Minus minus, both terms will plus, and sign of greater 1. Between both, which term is greater? 40. 40 is having minus. So there will be negative sign minus. Now what to do? We have to divide. 205 divided by 41. It is 5 and sign of negative will come. Similarly here. First is solve the bracket. This is negative, this is positive. Plus minus. We have to minus. 4 minus 3 is 1. Sign of greater. Between 2, which is greater? Minus. 15 divided by 1. It is 15, but sign of negative because we cannot cut it in divide if there is no another negative. Now come to this question. 6 into 25 equals to 25 into 6. You can say 6 25s and equal to 25 6s. Minus 10 into 18 is equal as well, is equal to 18 into minus 10. Minus 12 into minus 10 plus minus 5. Now here it is separated. Firstly minus 12 multiplied by minus 10, then it is multiplied by minus 12 into minus 5. So what is missing? Minus 10. Minus 5 multiplied by minus 4. What is missing? Minus 3. Minus negative sign you will put in bracket. Here it is blanks. Dash should be divided by 6, so that answer will come 3. What should be divided by 6? Which number should be divided by 6? Which number comes on 6 at 3? 6 1 the 6, 6 2 the 12, 6 3 the 18. 18 we will divide with 6, then answer will be 3. But we need negative, so it will be negative 18. 67 should be divided by something. 67 should come. 15 divided by what? So that 15 come. 15 divided by 1. So it means here will be 1. But no negative is there. Negative are cut in divide when there are two negatives, even number of negatives. So it will be minus 1. Minus is here. 503 should be divided by which number, so that answer will become 1. 503 should be divided by 503, and we will not put negative because we need negative in the answer. 18 should be divided by which number? Answer should be minus 3. Same question. 18 should be divided by which number? 6. But we need minus. It is not having minus, so we have to put minus.